So, randomly in the middle of the week, we decided to embark on an impromptu adventure, a camping trip. Luck was on our side as we managed to snag a spot at the beautiful Alice campground. This is our very first camping experience as a trio, just the three of us, ready to enjoy some fun filled, quality family time together.
I don't know if it's gonna be sunny or rainy today, but we're going to the campsite. Actually, it's still drizzling right now. And yeah, that's our plan. We're gonna paddle board, I'm gonna bike, and mommy, as usual, she will be just using her cell phone on social media all the time. So we're gonna be an hour and 40 minutes. We'll arrive there at 1:02, and the distance, yeah, it's 114 kilometer. Time right now is 11:22. So this is very unplanned, and yeah, we're just going on a trip because we have nothing to do at home. I'm on leave, and we did whatever tasks that we need to do at home. So before school starts, we're gonna enjoy our little vacation, right, Chastin? So yeah, we got caught up in traffic. As you can see, we're here at Sea to Sky, and right now it's like we have an additional of 21 minutes. As you can see on the our map here, it shows as 21 minutes. It's so red, so I'm expecting this one will be quite longer. I think we've added some minutes to it, so it's gonna be an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 3 minutes, and we'll be arriving there in 1:20. Yeah, it's we're affected with the traffic, and there's nothing much that we could do about it, but we'll go through it and we'll drive, and that's what we're gonna do. So that's the cause of traffic. As you can see, those guys like paving the road, the asphalt, and it's a long way. But the good thing is, hopefully tomorrow when we go home, they're not doing the other side because they're right here on this side towards Squamish. And we're almost at the end of this construction, road construction. Just had a quick stop here at Walmart because we need to buy water. We had a quick lunch, got some coffee and some sandwiches. Yeah, we got it from Team Hortons, from Teamies. So got some iced coffee and some sandwiches. And Jason's drinking water right now. I think she has something to show. Yeah, because she's excited that later we're gonna have a s'mores. So chocolate s'mores. And we'll be heading out right now, and then we're gonna take another video. Where? Paddling. So we'll reach there at like 1:54, and still 11 minutes more. And we'll take a video on our way to Alice, and take some shots of the campsite. So we'll see you when you get there. Okay, so just got in, and here's our campsite. We're gonna be at campsite number 52, and couple of things to know. He told us that the lake is not safe, and they warn us to not go to the lake for now because there's a blue-green algae that's I don't know what that is, but that they said that it might not be safe for us to go paddling today or to go inside the lake.
So we're just gonna set up our tent, and that's the first thing that we're gonna do. And we're just gonna show it to you guys. Bye.
So we just finished setting up our tent, and yeah, we're just gonna bring out most of our stuff from our car. It's just the three of us, and we try to enjoy this as much as possible, and at the same time, we're filming it for the sake of our memory. And yeah, and the rest of our activities, we're also gonna film it, and hopefully it's gonna be fun enough for us to be able to show it to you guys. That's what we have. So the tent, and we just put a tarp up in here, and we improvise. We tie some ropes to it so that it will be like on its form as much as possible, and it will serve its purpose to like at least have a little shade for our chairs. So the whole thing and the whole purpose of this is just for us to show you guys what we experience as first-time campers on our own. I say usually we're with friends or like families who have been camping here in BC or in Canada, to be specific. They've already have an experience and they know what to do. And most of this stuff, like we don't have that much camping stuff, so we rely on them, and that's what we usually use. So we have a couple of things that we did borrow from my brother. We have a fire pit in here. That's what we're gonna use later. And then we borrowed a paddle board, which I don't know if we can use it today.
Alright, so we're just cruising through the. This is like a trail in Alice Lake. Oh, on the nose, man. This is like a trail here, and we're just cruising through it. Like you can see it here. That's where we're going, and yeah, that's where we're heading. Oops. phone right now because my camera got a battery empty, and the other battery we left it at home. So right now we're cooking for dinner. We have the fire pit right here. That's courtesy of RJ, and yeah, that's our tent. That's Jason right there. That's mommy right here, and she's cooking the rice, and we're having a barbecue for tonight. Hi guys. Yeah, it's evening time and we just went to the lake, and unfortunately this thing ran out of battery again. So in the evening I just have to make sure that I get to charge it properly. We're just walking right now on the road because Jason is kind of scared. The sun has already set. So we're just enjoying a nighttime walk here. It's in nature. You can see, yeah, we're right here. It's so nice in here, and we're hoping to come back next year. But this place gets booked up quickly, so we have to really book it ahead, and or otherwise we have to do it on weekdays, which is,
Almost impossible.
almost impossible, kind of impossible. Not unless if we both get an off on weekday.
All right, so that was last night, and we forgot to record the audio, or we forgot to set it up, so that's why we had that problem. I forgot to connect the microphones, and that's why it wasn't working. That was so stupid of me. But I don't know how to end this vlog, and I think I'm gonna end it like this. That's our view. We're trying to have a quick morning breakfast and pack up our things, and we have to go. So I hope to see you in the next one, if we do have one.
Good morning.
I'm having sauce for breakfast.
Yeah, Jason wants to vlog, so we have to vlog it. And we're up early because today is our last day here on the campsite. We're back to reality later, so we'll drive back to Surrey, so in Langley. Yeah, my daughter keeps on correcting me. So
Sorry, Langley.
I know. So yeah, we just woke up. It was a good morning, and got the s'mores on fire. So it was a good morning, and we have a good night's sleep. We sleep at around 12 last night. Woke up early at like around 7. We're just cooking breakfast, preparing things. Right after we're done with the breakfast, the s'mores. Yeah. So after we get our breakfast done, we'll be out and about, get things ready, so we head out home. Yeah, that's what we have. Oh, that's what we're having for breakfast. Early morning view.
Hey, and by the way, recording this whole thing was quite a challenge because I forgot the rest of my camera stuff. So I was supposed to bring my whole bag, the big one, but I ended up just using the a 6-liter camera bag with just the I only have the camera, one battery, and the mics. So yeah, but hopefully I bring justice to it. Hopefully we get good clips, and yeah, I I keep turning it on and off because it's like it has only one battery, and the microphones too was like I did not charge it. But anyhow, it's raining already, and packing things up, it's gonna be challenging too. So I guess I have to end it like this. Yeah, look at that. And our campsite is right over there. So I'll see you on the next one. Ew.